Okay, today we discuss internal tables, and what we are going to build is this, where we'll be using this table, IT mark, internal table, IT MAKT, and IT T001W. So mark is for material and plant info. Material plus description will come from MAKT, and T001W will have plant and description. So we have these plants and description. The alignment is not yet in sequence. So material description, material and description, material and description, material and description, and material and plant of these numbers. So these numbers can be replicated in other plants, and this is what this program is about. So this is the program that we begin with types, begin of TY. We actually begin with a structure which represents MAKT. We build a structure that represents MARC, and we build a structure that is a representation of T001W. And then we create tables from these structures, and we create work areas. And we also create another set of tables and work areas. Parameters, Matner, at line selection and start of selection. At line selection and start of selection, now these are coding blocks. When are they used? Whenever we are actually invoking or getting an input, or we are supplying an input. Okay, at that very point, when we give a parameter, we are looping our internal tables. Okay, so mark internal table will get activated when plant works is equal to the work area of the plant field of MARC. Then it will write MARC plant and MARC description of that plant, and it will end the loop. So what we are doing is we are looping internal table MARC when plant's data is equal to the plant field of the work area MARC. Then it will write details about the plant and its description. And it will also load MARC. Loop again, and then end loop. We cannot use select within a loop because select basically is accessing the database. While if you run a loop at the database level, it will actually put a load on your system. Okay. So we have 2 to 3 options over here for select. Now these are selection blocks. Okay. Select material number, language, description from the table into internal table. When parameter of that table is equal to the parameter actually given. Okay, so it will load internal table and load the details. Then it will select MATNA works from MARC into table, where MATNA is equal to P MATNA. Okay, so MAKT, MARC are working together. Select single plant name one from T01 and 2, where works is equal to mark works. So this is the syntax where we are actually invoking MARC, plus we are also invoking T001W, and then we are writing this logic. Okay. Now we are running a loop at internal table MARC, but we're also reading MAKT. Based on MARC and MAKT, we are building a connection. Okay, so we can actually bring data from one table, invoking the other table when it actually reaches where MATNA is equal to mark MATNA. Over here, MAKT is basically getting related with MARC based on the material number. That is the connector here. Right? MATNA of MARC, backtext of MAKT, and works of MARC. Okay, then I'll move. Select works names from T01 into table, read table into with key works. Key is the field MARC works. So T01W is dependent on MARC when plant is equal to. So basically, when you are actually pulling data for one segment, which is MAKT and MARC, is also binding through MARC. This MARC and this MARC to invoke internal table T01, and then we'll actually also select and run this as well. Okay. Loop internal table of MARC, and then select single record plant name one from T01. MARC is now pulling T01, okay, when plant data is equal to plant data of MARC. Append work area details to internal table details and loop. If now this is a block again, conditional block. If internal table is not initialized, which means that it is not filled with some data. Initial means initial data is not initialized. Select plant from T01 into table, internal table for all entries. For all entries. So anything that is related, anything, I mean, if there are 4 or 5 rows in internal table, it will bring plant name and name of that plant from T01 and correspond with the records of MARC when plant is equal to plant of MARC. Now, select MATNA works from MARC into table, mark where MATNA is equal to PMATNA. Okay, sort IT mark by work, so it will sort by plant level. Select MATNA material number, plant description from MARC into table, MARC when MATNA is equal to PMATNA. Okay. So let's run the program, and this is what we have actually written over here. Okay. Oh, it was idle, so I guess it will go offline. Okay, we already discussed all this. Select single. Now, select single will mean that will not require end select. Select single will mean it will stop with a single record. So what we'll do, we will experiment with this in the next cycle. Select MATNA. Okay, we'll also do this in the next run. Okay. PMAT now. Let's do one thing. Instead of MM60, sort. Five, 1, 5, 6. Should be fine. I need some duplicate 201. Material numbers are not getting duplicated. 313, 313, 35. Okay, let me teach you how to extract all this. Person PC, unconverted, continue, XLS. I will share the desktop MM60 real list. Save desktop. Here is list. XLS. Generate. Allow. Okay, downloaded. Now, let me open that. Yes. Okay. Now we have this, and can't seem to recall that. But anyways, what we'll do is, okay, 1057. We need duplicate material numbers. That's not actually happening. Okay. We have RAM8, RAM0003. Okay. Okay, we're using this transaction and we will duplicate a material so that we can get multiple materials, multiple plants for one material. Okay, execute. Okay, okay, let's copy this control Y, control C. Okay, number of new materials. And what do you want copied? Basic data, not plant data. Warehouse number data, we don't want this to be copied. Storage type data, okay, we can copy that. Execute. We want to copy it from AM #1 to RM8 0003. 0003. Execute. Okay. Problem class. Very important. Data does not exist for material 37 in plant AM #1. Okay. Reference material. Test run. AM #1. Material type is AM #1. Anyways, we are going to copy it and ROH raw. This is MM01. Select views, copy it from master record, enter. Okay. Organization levels. Triple 03 and will be extended. Save. We will copy this material and it will bring the details of the plants as well as per the code that we have written. This is the activity that we're doing right now. Come on. Okay, it is not bringing any details, parameters. Loop, select, and select. Select and select. Select. 9 number 5. Okay, it's producing the material number, but in other areas. What we'll do is select single and select single. Wait, 964 Magna, 6484. 84 Magna works and got from MARC. Okay, 64. 64 Magna works from T001W. Okay, MARC Magna is there, but it's not picking up. Okay, and Magna is not there. Okay, it 64. Okay, works. MARC Magna is there. Activate. 84. 4 Magna to what? Activate. 8494. Okay. 8494. MARC. MARC Algot is there, works is there, Martner is there. How come it's not picking it up? Okay. Server is not responding. I guess let's do it in the next one.